Ladies and gentlemen, Sami here. So Xiaomi just released a gimbal specifically for your phone, and it will be available on June 16th. So without further ado, let's just unboxing it, alright? And for more detailed reviews, like how is it like compared with Smooth 4 or whatever, stay tuned. So this video is just for unboxing. Okay, from here. Oh, the box feels a little bit heavy, by the way. I like this foam, well protected. Woohoo! I really like the design. It's white, you know, so I can flirt with the girls with it, you know. And the front is a picture, the Mijia 手机云台. It's actually produced by the Xiaomi, you know, produce this cool little zooms and big zooms. Battery, the Bluetooth, and this kind of things. Okay, let's just unboxing it. I'm so pumped. Holy smoke! Oh, smells so sweet. The manual. It's a long manual. It's only in Chinese, but English one will be released very soon. So stay tuned. Wow, this is the gimbal. Ooh! If you are familiar with the drone gimbal, that one, put the Mijia camera on the gimbal. It's basically the same design language. It just feels elegant and awesome. So let's just put the side first. What else? We got a micro USB cable. What else? Nothing. So just 3 things. Wow. Let's just take a look at the design, alright? And then we just end this video. For more detailed ones, stay subscribed and see you very soon.